In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Docs notes aesthetic. We're keeping it simple and effective by focusing on two big levers, choosing a cohesive theme and using the right fonts. When these work together, your notes look clean, intentional, and easier to study from. First, choose a theme and stick to it. Think of a theme as the overall vibe and color palette that you'll use consistently from start to finish. If you like a calm, crisp look, go for a minimalist theme with lots of white space, light grays, and a soft sage green as your accent. Keep your headings simple and use the green sparingly for emphasis so it feels airy and uncluttered. If you love gentle tones, try a soft pastel theme with pinks, lavenders, or baby blue. Use just one or two of these colors for headings and highlights so the page stays soothing rather than sugary. For a cozy, scholarly feel, dark academia is perfect. Think warm browns and beiges for body text and a deep green for headings. This gives contrast without feeling harsh. And if you prefer that clean, curated study look, the Studygram style emphasizes tidy headings, small icons for visual cues, and consistent highlighter accents. No matter which you choose, limit yourself to one main accent color and one supporting shade. Apply the accent color to headings, subheadings, or key highlights, and use it the same way every time. That consistency is what makes the design feel intentional. Next, use good fonts with a clear hierarchy. Your headings should have personality, while your body text stays highly readable. For headings, try Poppins or Montserrat if you want a modern, approachable look, or Playfair Display if you want something elegant and academic. For body text, Laura and Merriweather are excellent for a book-like feel, and Nunito offers a clean, rounded style that pairs well with modern headings. A few reliable pairings are Montserrat with Nunito for a clean Studygram vibe, Playfair Display with Laura for a classic feel, and Poppins with Nunito for a friendly, minimalist look. Set these choices in your Google Docs style so they apply automatically. Update heading 1 and heading 2 to your chosen heading font and normal text to your body font. Keep headings clearly larger than body text and use the same sizes throughout the document. Bring it all together by committing to your theme and font pairing across the entire doc. Use your accent color thoughtfully for headings and highlights. Keep icons minimal if you're going for the Studygram vibe, and let white space breathe. With a solid theme and smart font choices, your notes will look polished, cohesive, and genuinely aesthetic.